Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Razer Seiren V2 X is not detected in the Synapse software. And to do this, as you can see right here, my Razer Seiren is actually detected, but I had this problem. And to fix this, simply click on Windows logo on your keyboard and along with it, click on X. Then move to the device manager. You'll need to confirm it, and here's the window. Now we want to look for our Razer Seiren, and for me it should be in the sound devices somewhere. Razer audio devices, it should look like this. And if you don't see it, then look for sound, video and game controllers, and then you should be able to find your Razer Seiren V2 X. Now what we need to do is to right click on our mouse when pointing at the Razer Seiren V2 X, and then simply uninstall your device. You will see the window like this, and here you can attempt to remove the driver for this device, and I would leave it unchecked like it is right here. Now click on uninstall, and after the uninstall is finished, replug your microphone and then check the Razer Synapse again, and your microphone should be visible. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.